Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious looking baby corn manchurian. You can have this for snack in the evenings, or you can have this along with the roti or chapati, just like I've shown here. This is a serving suggestion, guys. So to make this, we need some baby corns. I have cut the baby corn into smaller pieces like this. Then we will be adding some corn flour. I've taken about like 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and then some wheat flour. So this is about like 4 tablespoons of wheat flour. And then I'm adding salt to this. After that, I'm adding some coriander powder and some chili powder. So once you put all the dry ingredients, just give it a quick mix so that all the dry ingredients get nicely mixed like this. Then I will be adding 2 to 5 tablespoons of water. Please add it slowly and just keep stirring it for a while. I don't want your mixture to be like really liquidy, so it should look like this. And then in a hot pan, I'm just gonna fry the baby corns. So once you fry the baby corn really crisp, I'm just gonna take it and keep it aside in a tissue paper so that the oil just filters there. Okay, and I will also like to show you how crispy it looks. Look at that. Okay, nice. So the next step is, in a heated pan with some oil, I'm gonna add some chilies, then give it a saute, and then some onion. So I've taken about 3 medium-sized onion here, and I am gonna mix and saute this real good. Once the onion is nicely fried and sauteed, I will be adding some chopped capsicum or bell pepper or paprika, however you want to call it. Yeah, so I've taken about like half a piece, half capsicum. So give it a quick stir. Then some spring onions. So I don't like the flavor of celery, so I'm not adding it, but you can add celery also if you want. Then I will be adding some ginger and garlic paste to this, and then saute everything real good. Once I see all the ingredients are sauteed, I will be adding some soy sauce. This is the strong soy sauce, guys. This is not the ones you eat with sushi, so please buy the strong ones. And some tomato ketchup. Here I'm using pure tomato ketchup, Kisan's tomato ketchup. Yes, so everything is mixed well, and then I will be adding some salt for taste. And then I will be adding some chili powder to it, because I want a bit of spicy flavor in it. And then, so after frying everything for a few minutes, I will be adding some water, and then I will give it a couple of stirs. One more tip, guys. I kind of like adding sweet chili sauce to my Manchurian because it gives it a bit of tangy flavor, but this is an optional state, so you don't have to add it if you don't like it, but I kind of like it. And then I'm gonna give it a couple of stirs here and there. Once I see that the gravy is of good consistency, the mixture is good, then I will be adding the fried baby corn, which I've kept aside, into this and mix them all real nice. So as you can see, I've mixed them all real nice, and the baby corn is also nicely blended along with the soya flavor which we've made. Then it's time to garnish them. I'm putting some chopped spring onions You can also put celery here, guys, but since I don't like the flavor of celery, I'm not using it. I am also putting some calendros on top of it, which is nothing but coriander leaves. And that's it. So in the end, I'm gonna give a hint of pepper powder on top of it because I like how the pepper gives out a very sharp taste. This is an amazing lunchbox recipe, guys. Please do try it, and I highly recommend you to please do leave your comments in the comment section below and tell me how it tastes. Okay, you can have this with roti, with fried rice, for dinner or lunch, or anytime you wish. Thank you, lovelies. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also do show your love and support by liking and commenting and sharing my videos. Thank you. Bye.